Welcome all. So today's topic is what is JavaScript. In the last session we discussed why JavaScript. So you can watch that video in this playlist. So before learning what is JavaScript, let's understand the history of JavaScript. JavaScript is invented by Brandon Eich in 1995. So before JavaScript came in the market, there are only the static web pages developed in HTML and CSS. So they are not interactive. So JavaScript is basically used to make applications interactive. It runs in a browser. Every browser has a JS engine. Like Chrome has V8, Microsoft Edge has V8, Firefox has SpiderMonkey, and Safari has JavaScript Core. And then later in 2003, jQuery is introduced. jQuery is a library of JavaScript which holds some features. And then again in 2009, AngularJS is introduced by Google. And in the competition of that, ReactJS in 2013 is introduced by Facebook. These two frameworks are, this is the library and this is the frameworks. So these two technologies are very popular today. And then in 2014, Angular 2 is introduced, which is a very uh, not that much similar to AngularJS. It is a very different framework. Okay, so this was the history of JavaScript. Let's learn now the features of JavaScript. JavaScript is a lightweight, high-level, just-in-time compiled multi-paradigm programming language, primarily used to create interactive and dynamic web pages. So what is mean by lightweight? It consumes very less memory. It is a high level programming language. High level means a human understandable programming language. Compared to a machine language, it is very easy to understand by the humans. It supports just in time compilation. It was supporting before a compiled, like it was a compiled language before, but now all the browsers are using just in time compilation for the speed and the performance. So JavaScript also now just supports just in time compilation. So it is a technique where code is compiled into machine code at runtime just before the execution to improve the performance. So you can take an example like if compiled language means you are speaking, and after you are speaking all the your what you spoke is translated after your completion of speech. But in just in time compilation, what happens is when you are speaking a sentence, when the sentence started, that time only it starts to compile like into a machine code. Okay, it's a multi-paradigm. It supports a multi-paradigm style. Like it supports all types of programming, like object-oriented programming, procedural programming, functional programming. So you can read this about these styles of programming. Like object-oriented programming means it supports class and OOPS concepts. Procedural programming means the code is run step by step. Functional programming means you can create functions and all. So it supports all the styles of programming language. Programmings. This it supports first class function. So this makes a difference between other programming language and the JavaScript. What is mean by first class function? So function can be stored in a variable or it can be used as a value. So this is a very good feature. About this we will learn. This is also interview question we'll learn in the future videos. We will have a separate video on this topic. So these are the features of JavaScript. Okay. So thank you for watching this video, guys.